Dimensional analysis in chemistry labs is the method of tracking and converting units so that calculated results have the correct units and make physical sense. Think of dimensional analysis like checking the labels on toy boxes. Every measurement has a unit label, such as grams, liters, or seconds, and you can only combine or compare measurements with matching labels. When you measure substances and calculate things like concentration or reaction rates, you write each number with its unit and use conversion factors that are equal to 1. For example, 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter written as a fraction to change units without changing the actual quantity. You cancel units the same way you cancel numbers in math, so that only the desired unit remains at the end, and that final unit tells you what the number really means, like grams per liter for concentration. If you follow the labels carefully and cancel them step by step, your final answer will have the correct unit and be easier to check for mistakes. A common mistake is ignoring units and treating numbers alone, which can lead to answers that are impossible, like getting seconds when you expected grams. So always write and carry units through every step. Another mistake is using incorrect conversion factors or flipping them the wrong way. So double check that the conversion fraction cancels the unwanted unit rather than the desired one. Students also sometimes forget to include units from instrument readings or reagent labels, so record units immediately when measuring to avoid later confusion. For more videos and resources on dimensional analysis and correct units in chemistry labs, visit www.gumbeldegree.com.